And now we're ready to open the disposable. The first thing we remove are the additional components located on the outside of the disposable. There will be two ViaGuard suction strainers, and you're going to place those aside for hand up to the sterile field. There is also a white pressure sensor, and that will be placed aside and assembled on the device. In addition, the instructions for use are located in this pocket on the side of the disposable pack. Now we're ready to open up the disposable pack. It does not need to be opened with sterile technique. It can be opened anywhere. The parts that need to remain sterile are wrapped sterile inside of this and will remain that way until handed up to the sterile field. There are two additional components that need to come out of the pack. The first is the recirculation line, and you will put that for further assembly onto the disposable on the device. The other item that comes out is the IPH table pack, and that will get handed up to the sterile field when they're ready.